Stop. Okay, once you're ready, move on, please. Left. Moving off, always right signal.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
If any car came from behind, right signal, okay? How was the emergency stop?
I don't
It
know.
was okay. It was okay. A little bit more sharp, yeah?
After I do the emergency brake, is that when I do my 6-point check?
Yeah.
Okay.
And before move off as well. Two
But
times 6 point
as in
check.
before I put the handbrake on, that's when I do my...
As soon as you stop, secure the car with
Yeah.
6-point check.
Yeah.
Look all around.
Yeah.
And he will ask you, okay, once you're ready, move off.
Okay.
6-point check again.
Okay. So handbrake up and then 6-point check. And then 6-point check again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn left, then turn right.